introduce this particular project to a lot of you guys who haven't heard about it up till now. So I'm not going to be blaming you because I personally heard about it today as well. I heard about it today, and so far I have made about 37 ATF right here on my mining. Now I'm going to be telling you why I believe this project is a very nice one. I'm going to be telling you my reasons why I'm actually going to be investing my interest on it to make sure that I make the most out of it before the project listing and all that comes out. Guess what? You do not have to wait until the project begin their listing. You can start today and start making money today right away. But remember, this video is not a financial advice. You are entitled to your own decision. All you have to do is to simply listen to me until the end of this video to decide if this is what you want to do or not. But I'm going to be trying my possible best to make sure I tell you guys more my convictions, the reasons why I'm going to be putting my interest on this particular project called ATF. So to begin with, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly consider doing that. That helps me a lot to do research and provide you guys with a lot of educational content that is going to be helping you make a whole lot of money right here on the internet. So I'm Crypto Mechanic and I do video around crypto and AI as a whole. So this project called ATF, let me begin by telling you why I believe it is a nice one. First of all, this project, you cannot mine it without connecting your wallet. All right, remember, I'm going to be telling you how to start mining. You cannot mine it without connecting your wallet. That is my first reason why I believe this project is a nice one. Now the second one is that this particular token is already trading on decentralized exchanges. Okay, it is already trading on decentralized exchanges with a very decent market cap. Let me show you. This project right here is trading around $20.7 million market cap. This is insane. This is the first time I'm seeing a project trade at this market cap even when they have not done the airdrop. So over here you can decide to trade this particular token right now without even having to wait for the airdrop. Just as you can see from here on the chart, you can see it has made an all-time high of about 0.003, but currently it is around 0.001. okay, so right now this is another reason. First, you can't mine it without connecting your wallet. Secondly, you can't the token is already trading. And the third part is, of course, the token that you are mining right here, you don't have to wait until the platform tell you when you remove it. You can simply withdraw what you are mining here. Okay, you can withdraw it immediately without waiting for anybody to authorize you or whatsoever. Simply listen closely because I'm going to be telling you the minimum that you need to have before you can be able to withdraw. Now right now, to blow your mind away, you can swap this on your Tonekeeper. All right, so there are a lot of reasons why I believe this project is a nice catch, and a lot of reasons why I think you should try it as well. So let me quickly introduce to you guys to how you can be able to start mining. So first thing you need to do is to head over to your Play Store. If you are just getting started, go to your Play Store right now. Once you come over here to your Play Store, come over here to the search section and type Tonekeeper. Okay, Tonekeeper wallet. So this is Tonekeeper wallet right here. You need to get it installed on your phone. After installing it, open it right now and set it up. You know how to save your recovery phrase, and never share it with anyone. So now that you have your Tonekeeper ready, go to the link right there on the video description of this video you are watching right now, or to the comment section. You are going to be seeing the link right there. Now once you open the link, it is going to bring you right here. Then go ahead right now to connect your wallet. Okay, once you click on the connect wallet button that is going to be showing, it is going to be detecting the Tonekeeper wallet that you have installed. Then it is going to ask you to connect it, and after connecting it, that is when your mining begins immediately. Now listen closely. Every platform have their rules. Make sure you obey it, and most importantly, do your research as a crypto enthusiast that you are. When you come over here right now, click scroll down, you can see this is the market cap, total supply, and of course circulating supply. So over here you can see that the whole supply is currently circulating right here, but that is not our interest. When you click on buy right now, it is going to bring you right here, and of course you can swap your gram to ATF token. And in other words, assuming that you have actually mined enough amount of ATF right here, you can simply withdraw it to your wallet. And once you withdraw it to your wallet, then over here you can simply sell it off. As for example, you have mined 10,000 ATF. You can see currently 10,000 ATF is equivalent to 13.6 gram. Now let me change this to USDT. You will see that it is equivalent to 18.7 USDT, which you can simply go ahead to swap if you want to. Now, what is the main point of the whole thing? The point of the whole thing is for you to be able to make money on this airdrop. Now, for you to be able to make money on this airdrop, you first of all need to start mining. I started today and I've gotten this already. So assuming that you have mined enough, just go ahead to click on claim, and this is going to be claimed into your wallet. And once you have claimed it, then you can see it has added up right here. And once it has added up right here, the mining will begin afresh. Now, to be able to withdraw, now let me tell you something about it. Withdrawing is very easy, but first you need to hit a minimum of 500 ATF, a minimum of 500 ATF before you can be able to withdraw. Now, there's what we call KYC or verification, account verification. I'm going to be talking about this on the next video. So over here right now, you can see this is my total assets and this is my holding. My holding is 0 because I've never made any withdrawal. Now, when you come over here to withdraw, you click on it. Then right now you go ahead to put the amount you want to withdraw. Then you click on confirm and you are going to withdraw it. And right now you can see you need a minimum of 500 ATF token. Okay, now going back right now, we have the referral system right here that earns you a huge amount. So over here, once any of your referral is valid or successful, you can get 100 ATF immediately. For example, when I click on this claim, you can see I am going to be able to claim 400 ATF token, and this has actually boosted my level. Okay, so generally you can see this is what the people you have signed in are mining. This is what you are earning from them. Okay, I can still claim this if I want to. Now see, today that I started, I've already got 14 total referrals right here, and 4 of them is successful. The more they mine, the more successful they become and the more I earn. The same thing goes to who you are going to invite. Okay, now going back right now to my mine, you can see my balance has boosted. And of course right here, when I come over here to tax, there are some certain tasks that you can complete right here to earn yourself even more ATF token. Now looking over here on the Telegram bot, you can see it has over 1.2 million users. All right, 1.2 million monthly users. Do your entire research very well before you get to join any crypto related activity at all. The link to join is going to be right there on the comment section and also on the video description box. All right, so right now, going back right now to the bot, there's another thing we have right here, which is of course the verification. I think I've already said about that, but I'm going to be making a separate video about that. Remember, assuming that today that I started this airdrop, I have got 440 ATF. Right now, let me go back to my Tone wallet and see how much it's worth. Okay, for example, 440 is currently equivalent to approximately $1, as you can see right here, 0.8 USDT. So this is of course a very nice project, if I may say, but this is all you need to know right now as regards being introduced to this particular project. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm going to be making more videos subsequently about this project, but for now I'm going to be stopping here right now, and this is all I have to tell you guys for now. Once I make any withdrawal, I'm going to be letting you guys know. Once I make any swap or anything, any good step, I'm going to be letting you guys know about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be speaking to you on the next video that I'll be dropping very soon. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, share it so that people out there will also get to learn about this. Thank you, and I'll speak to you on the next video.